where we help you take control of your money and your future. Today, we're diving into a super important topic: how to build an emergency fund. Whether you're just starting or looking to grow your safety net, I've got some easy, actionable tips and tricks to get you on the right track. Let's jump in. First, let's talk about why an emergency fund is so important. Life happens: unexpected medical bills, car repairs, or even job loss. Having an emergency fund gives you financial security so you don't have to rely on high-interest credit cards or loans when these surprises pop up. Experts recommend aiming for 3 to 6 months of living expenses, but don't stress. We'll focus on starting small and building up over time. Start by figuring out how much you need. Take a look at your monthly essentials: rent, groceries, utilities, and transportation. Multiply that by 3 to 6 months to set your long-term goal. If that feels overwhelming, don't worry. Set a smaller short-term target first, like $500 or $1,000. That's enough to cover most minor emergencies. Now that you've got your goal, where should you keep your emergency fund? The best place is a high-yield savings account. It's separate from your regular checking account, so you won't be tempted to spend it, but it's still accessible when needed. Avoid risky investments like stocks for your emergency fund. You want your money to be safe and ready immediately. Okay, let's talk strategies to build your emergency fund fast. Here are some tips and tricks. Automate your savings. Set up an automatic transfer from your checking account to your savings every payday. Start small: $10, $20, or whatever you can afford. Cut back temporarily. Look at your budget and see where you can cut back, even if it's just for a few months. Skip the daily coffee runs, cancel unused subscriptions, or try meal prepping. Earn extra income. Pick up a side hustle or sell unused items around the house. Platforms like Insert Examples make it easy to turn clutter into cash. Save windfalls. Got a tax refund, bonus, or gift money? Resist the urge to splurge and put it straight into your emergency fund. Building an emergency fund takes time, so stay motivated by tracking your progress. Use a savings tracker app or even a simple spreadsheet. Celebrate milestones along the way, like hitting your first $500 or $1,000, and remember, every dollar you save is a step toward financial peace of mind.